In this video, I will show you how to improve search ranking of items on Depop. Open the Depop app and tap Sell at the bottom of the screen. Start by uploading your best photos, clear, bright, and from multiple angles to make your listing stand out. Next, write a strong description and title. Include important details like the brand, size, condition, and style using keywords that buyers actually search for, but avoid keyword stuffing or misleading information. Add the rest of your item info, category, size, brand, and set a fair price that reflects the item's value. Once everything is ready, tap Post Listing. To boost your visibility, keep your listings fresh and accurately tagged. Depop's tools like Boosted Listings and Shop Stats can help you see what works and track views, saves, and engagement. Experiment with photos, descriptions, hashtags, and pricing to find the combination that surfaces best in search, and always be honest. Misleading listings can hurt your ranking and credibility. And that's how to improve search ranking of items on Depop.